here with Mr. Wagner. Mr. Wagner, I hear that your 8th grade science class is doing a cool project. Can you tell me a little bit more about it?
Yes, so we're doing 3D printing of boats this year. We did it last year, and this year we decided to have 3 competitions, which is a boat that will hold as many pennies as possible, one that can hold pennies while it's being moved by the wind, and one that's going to go as fast as possible. But the trick is that they all have to be the same boat, and they're going to have to figure out which design works best to meet all 3 requirements.
So how are students coming up with the ideas for their boats?
So we're using Tinkercad, and what they're doing is they're coming up with a general shape, and then they have to modify that shape so that it would fit the requirements of being a boat.
And are there any records from last year that will be broken this year?
Probably not this year because it's a different formula. Our boats were bigger, and it ended up taking too long to print them. So this year we made smaller boats, but more numerous, so every student could theoretically get their own boat to take home.
Alrighty, that sounds good. Thank you.